Hey, Rosie, do you want to make some shortbread cookies with Mommy? Yeah? All right, come on. Let's go in the kitchen. Come on.
Cup and a half of almond flour. Here we go. Thank you, love. 2 tablespoons of arrowroot starch or tapioca starch.
Whoa, Christmas snow, Rose.
Mix, 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 please. Just so.
Okay.
For some vanilla, a little bit. Oh.
Ooh.
A few tablespoons of butter. Hold the spoon and I'll pour some maple syrup in. Now you pour it over.
Oh. Save some for the cookies, Rose. More mixing, Rose. Mix, 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 mix. Nice mixing, Rose.
Yeah.
Tongue out like Michael Jordan. Oh.
All right.
Mommy's gonna wrap it up and rest it for a few minutes, Rose.
Dada.
Yeah, Daddy's gonna clean too, trust me. Here, your turn.
The dough is chilled. It's ready for us to roll it out. Now we gotta roll.
Roll.
Roll, roll, roll. Come on. And roll, roll, roll.
Yeah, roll it, Rose. Roll.
Roll, roll, roll. Super. Not ready yet. Not ready yet, Mister.
He wants those cookies.
Too big. We gotta get you a smaller one. Happy them, mamo. Pushka, love. Hold on, please.
Oh, there you go.
Press down. Yeah.
Push.
Press down.
Nice.
Put it on the tray, please. Good.
Push.
Okay. Good.
Hey. And the cookie dough monster, Rose.
Perfect. Thank
Perfect.
you. Okay. All done.
Oh my God, Rose. Whoa! Someone's all hopped up on cookie dough.
325. About 18 minutes. Let's melt some chocolate chips. Let's melt those over double boiler. Oh,
Oh, we almost forgot, Rose, to dock them with a fork. You gotta do that with shortbread cookies.
here we're gonna take them out. Here we're doing.
Oh.
Oh, we need the glove.
Oh.
We need the glove. Here we go.
Ooh.
You gotta dip it in chocolate and then put it back on the sheet tray. Put it back on. Put it back on the sheet tray.
Why don't you have her do the spoon of the chocolate? And then put it down right here, Rose. There you go. Hey, perfect. Yeah, do it again. Gotta take a bite first, of course. Put it down right here, Rose. The chocolate cookie. Put it right there.
Thank you. All right.
Okay, it's tea time. Cheers. Cheers. Well, guess one of those snowman? I will bring the snowman up here. Ah, that's very kind of you, Rose. Great job on the cookies, Rose. They're delicious. That was Daddy's too. Thank you. Great job, Rose. Wow. Thank you.